If your garbage disposal is smelling less than ideal, I'm going to show you 3 steps that I do to revitalize this thing and make it not smell like a dead raccoon's ass. Okay, first thing I want to do is make sure all the food, or the majority of the food, is out of your disposal. So I would run some cold water and turn on your disposal for about a minute, maybe 2 minutes. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Turn it off. Turn off your water. Step 2 is take your drain stopper, put it in, and fill your bin with a lot of ice. And then take cold water, and you're gonna want a couple inches of water in this thing. Now what this will do when the disposal takes down the ice acts as an abrasive, which will remove any residual food that's stuck inside the disposal, but it won't be abrasive enough to where it's gonna cause any damage. Next up is I grab some basic dishwashing soap, any type will work, and add, a generous amount, maybe 1/3 cup. While this is happening, you may notice some backwash with the soap going down, but that's good. You want that. And then just let it run for a minute or so. Okay, it is all down. We're gonna turn her off. Okay, next is to get some basic bleach. You can actually get a big gallon like this at a dollar store for like $1, really cheap, and pour in, maybe 1/2 cup to a 3/4 of a cup, probably a little bit more. But what that bleach will do, will get down in there and kill any of the bacteria or residual food that's down there that could be decaying and causing foul smells. And then you're just gonna want to let it sit for maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Now you're gonna want to turn on hot water and your disposal. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. I can smell the bleach, but it smells much better than the foulness that was coming out through it. Now, one thing I do recommend doing that not a lot of people pay attention to is cleaning the inside of your disposal, especially the rubber part down in there before it reaches the disposal. You can get food and sludge on there. So, take like a non-porous or non-scratch SOS pad, add some dish soap, and just make sure you really clean the inside of your disposal, especially again that that rubber gasket before it gets to the disposal, because that can get a lot of food on it and cause some pretty bad smells. Another pro tip is to lift up the little rubber gasket and make sure you get on the reverse side of it, because of course it's gonna get food stuck on the underside of it too, which can smell, again, less than ideal. All right, everyone, well, I hope you enjoyed today's quick video on how to deodorize your garbage disposal. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you do this method, please leave your comment below. I'd love to see how it turned out for you. I'll also put links below to where you can purchase non-scratch SOS pads and bleach on Amazon. So hope to see you in the next video, and take care.